In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your Acura key fob. First, turn to the side of the key fob with the key loop. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove this screw. Once the screw is removed, slowly pull apart the cover from this end. The ends are secured by a couple of plastic clips. Gently wiggle the clips loose as you lift. The part with the buttons will contain the battery. This inside piece lifts right up. You'll notice a small notch to the side. Use a flathead screwdriver and gently pry the two pieces apart to reveal the battery. This remote uses a CR1616 battery. You can find a link in the description below. Once you replace the battery, line up the two halves and snap back together. Slide this piece back into the outer cover. Snap this back into place, starting with the end first. Now replace the screw back in place. You're all set. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.